This is how to enable autocorrect on your Samsung keyboard in OneUI 8. If you have the keyboard open, you can get to the settings from here, and also I'll show you to get to the settings for the keyboard from the settings app, from the main settings app. So in the settings app, go to general management, and then under general management here, first option is to choose the keyboard. Here I have the keyboard settings where I choose the default keyboard from Gboard to Samsung keyboard or any other keyboard you might have. These are more settings that you might want to use, but I show you these are the settings for Samsung keyboard. So Samsung keyboard settings, press here. If you have Samsung keyboard set as default, then this is going to affect the way you're changing, you're typing things. And under Samsung keyboard settings, look for first predictive text. Make sure this is enabled, and also you can choose to auto spell check. For example, I could use auto spell check, and I could also use the auto replace. For auto replace, as you type, you'll see the suggested word. Tap the spacebar, the enter key, or a punctuation mark to enter the highlighted word. You can enter the highlighted word. So for example, here this word is not right. Here there are a few options, so it's not really... Here I have an option to replace this word, and I can tap on the word to change it if I wanted to. But it's actually good that it's not replacing the word as I type, like on the iPhone. You can also get this predictive text here, and you get the word, it's underlined here, and it will show you which word you might want to replace it with. So you have a few options there. To enable autocorrect on your Samsung phone, OneUI 8, you have predictive text, auto replace, and auto spell check. So like this, you have less mistakes in your text as you write it. Thanks for watching.